I'm doing 60 days of Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations. This is day 3. Today was hard. Today was really hard because I think I was not feeling it. I was very distracted. It was so hard for me to connect to his voice and his meditation. And I usually do the morning and evening meditations, but today I actually tried a new one. I think it was the music. So I'm going to like play a little bit of the music for you guys so you can tell me if it's just me. Okay, so I'm going to play the music. I hope you can hear it.
It's time to pause.
So that like rhythm plays the whole 15 minutes. So I'm only doing his short meditations for now. And all of his meditations in the generating series, so this one is generating joy. He has like generating inspiration, empowerment, gratitude. They're all 15 minutes. And so I'm just trying to build the habit of getting into Dr. Joe meditations. That's why I'm picking like the short ones. But today was so hard to get into because I don't know. It was just like, I think like the time that I meditated made a lot of difference as well. So I did it at night, just before going to bed. And I could tell that I was just waiting for the meditation to end because I wanted to go to sleep. But today I did not fall asleep. So that's good. That's like a, progress because I fell asleep literally the last 2 days. But today, I mean, when I did day 3, I didn't fall asleep. So I'm going to give it another try. But I think on day 4, tomorrow, I'm going to go back to listening to his morning meditations because I'm kind of like getting into the groove of that and I actually really like it and I enjoy it. And when I was listening to this one, I was kind of thinking that I should have listened to that one instead. So day 3, not my favorite, and that's not my favorite meditation. But again, it's only the first time that I'm listening to it. I'm not going to judge it just by the first time. I'm actually going to give myself some grace and I'll probably come back to generating joy again. One of the reasons why I bought this meditation is because joy is actually one of my words for 2024. I am learning how to embrace it, how to express joy, and just how to feel more joy in my everyday. So I'm just hoping to revisit this maybe once I get into the habit, once I already have gotten into the habit of getting into Dr. Joe meditations. My cat is so cute right now. That's such a cute sleeping position. But anyway, that's it for day 3. Let me know if any of you guys are doing Dr. Joe meditations as well. I've had a few of you comment saying that you're on day 4 and day 3. So that's really cool that we're doing it together. But yeah, let me know. Give me some tips. Follow for more. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.